Hi, I'm Susan Casimir Escalipco. Did you know that plants around us can help us in treating and preventing diseases? This is true herbal medicine. But first, what is herbal medicine? Herbal medicine is also called botanical medicine or phytomedicine. Refers to using a plant's seeds, berries, roots, leaves, bark, or flowers for medicinal purposes. Herbalism has a long tradition of use outside of conventional medicine. It is becoming more mainstream as improvements in analysis and quality control along with advances in clinical research show the value of herbal medicine in the treating and preventing disease. Herbal medicine is used to treat many conditions such as asthma, eczema, premenstrual syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, migraine, menopausal symptoms, chronic fatigue, and irritable bowel syndrome, among others. Here are two examples of common herbs, their uses, and their effects to our body. Ginkgo or Ginkgo biloba has been used in traditional medicine to treat circulatory disorders and enhance memory. Although not all studies agree, ginkgo may be especially effective in treating dementia, including Alzheimer's disease and intermittent claudication or poor circulation in the legs. It is also shows promise for enhancing memory in older adults. Ginkgo supplements are usually taken in the range of 40 to 200 mg a day. Watch out for ginkgo may increase the risk of bleeding. Kaba-kaba or Piper metisticum is said to elevate mood, well-being, and contentment and produce a feeling of relaxation. Several studies have found that kaba may be useful in the treatment of anxiety, insomnia, and related nervous disorders. However, there is serious concern that kaba may cause liver damage. It is not clear whether the kaba itself caused liver damage in a few people or whether it was taking kaba in combination with other drugs or herbs. It is also not clear whether kaba is dangerous at previously recommended doses or only at higher doses. Kaba prepared by chewing, grinding, or pounding the roots of the kaba plant. Now we understand what herbal medicine is and their uses and effects to our body. Again, this is Susan Casimir Escalipco, your student nurse, signing up. Bye-bye!